Hi, this is take 2 of 165 takes. Ah! Oh, I just want to eat Mochi's face. Is that weird? I had way too much coffee. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, Mochi and Boba, who is currently MIA, are going to pick my makeup today. It's a weird video, to be honest. I saw this video going around and I was like, hey, I have cats. Okay, look, so Boba is a makeup lover. Every time I'm unboxing or anything has to do with makeup, she's there. But lately, she's been in her feelings. She's definitely going through that teenage phase, and that's what we're dealing with. So Boba was over this video before it even started. Mochi was the main participant in this video. So Mochi is actually picking all of my makeup. I think this is just such a fun video, so I'm so excited to show you guys what they chose. I'm starting off this video with no makeup on so that I don't give myself away, because then you're gonna know what the look came out like. So if you want to see how this look came out and what makeup they chose, wish me luck on some of this stuff. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad fam. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. All right, so these are the primers that we're using. The J1 Red Jelly Pack, which is one of my favorites. The Pop Beauty Zero Shine Prime, which I haven't tried and I'm really scared of. Urban Decay Quick Fix for Solly Skin Tune, and then the Estee Lauder Makeup Mist. Okay guys, so I have Mochi first, and Jaden's on cat duty. And what we're gonna do is we have the cat treats right here. They have a little bit of catnip flavor, so they might go a little crazy. So what we're gonna do is put the snack right behind each primer and see which one Mochi picks. You ready? Yeah. Let them loose. Pick a primer. Pick a primer. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is my favorite primer. I'm so happy right now. Good job! Good job, Mochi! Now for the primer, Mochi chose the J1 Red Jelly Pack. That just makes me laugh, like that Mochi actually picked my makeup. Okay, I really like this one just because it's like a tacky primer. It really feels like the foundation is going to cling to your skin and never let go. Boba's getting angry already. So I'm gonna just tell you guys the foundations that we have. They're right here. Some are really good, some I love, and some I really am not feeling and I'm praying she doesn't use. Now I'm gonna let Boba go and have her pick the foundation. All right, Boba, pick. Really? We're gonna have to get Mochi. I tried with Boba, but she's in this stage in her life where she's just like a bratty teenager. That's her right now. Oh, hold on. Hold on. He's making an educated selection. Okay, he chose the Derma Blend Flawless Creator, one of my favorite foundations. Thank you, Mochi. Thank you. Mochi has the magic touch. But I really am so sad that Boba did not feel like participating with us because she loves makeup. I just don't know. It's that time of the month for her, so maybe that's what it is. She's very hormonal. She's going through some changes. Honestly, ever since we got Mochi, Boba hasn't been the same. She's so, like, I don't know, snappy. I think that's a good amount of foundation. By the way, you guys, this is the shade 40N, in case you're wondering. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend that in to my skin. With this foundation, you actually don't need the amount that I put on my face right now, but I just love the coverage. So I go a little crazy on it. You really don't need that much though. I fake tanned twice. I did a spray tan and then I did another tan right on top of it from Loving Tan, and I got so dark. Those two together are gonna make you super dark, and now my foundation does not match my body. And that is the life we're choosing to live right now. Foundation done. All right, so now we're on to the eyeshadow palettes. I obviously have some faves in here, and I have some that okay, I don't want him to pick this. I do not. It's blue and green, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life after that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and let's have Mochi pick a palette. Wait, what? That's the first palette you're gonna pick. I actually did not want this one either. Mochi! foundation. We did good with the primer. The eyeshadow palette that Mochi chose is this one right here. This is from Pat McGrath. Now this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I love the packaging on this palette. The colors inside are really pretty, but I wanted something that was, you know, exciting and new. You know, so I wanted something that was just a little bit more on the new side and something that was really more exciting in color scheme for me. I feel like I've done this before, but we're gonna work with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this light brown right here, and we're gonna put that in the crease. Back and forth, right in that crease. And the brushes that I'm using today are actually the ones that came with the James Charles collection, his palette and brushes. Just to like let you guys know, Mochi was not ready for the awesomeness in that palette. The next color we're picking up is the brown. I'm gonna put this one on the outer V right here and really deepen up this look. Okay, so for the lid, these are our choices. We have the green, which I've already done in a video more recently, a cranberry, which I've done as well, or we have this lighter shade of champagne. I'm gonna go with this one just because I usually save this lighter shade for my inner corners, but we are going to switch it up. It's not that crazy of a switch, but we're going to put that on our lid instead. So just gonna grab this Morphe M166 brush and pop it on the lid. Actually, to switch it up a little bit, I'm gonna add this red shade on the inner corners. I've seen Kylie do this with a lot more like fun colors like yellow and pink, but I haven't seen a darker shade, which I don't know how it's gonna look, so okay, it's not too bad. We're gonna put that on the inner corner. I'm gonna move on to the eyeliner. I have liquid liners, gels, and a brown liner, which, you know, it's not my favorite kind of liner, but we'll see. The blue, it'll make the look a lot more creative, so let's see what he picks. Ready? Do your job. Wait. Do you eat it? Okay, don't eat it. Great. He chose the pink eyeliner. The eyeliner that Mochi chose is the Dose of Colors Weekender. This is a cream matte eye color, and you can use this as a base or you can use it as an eyeliner. It works really great as eyeliner. I like the black one, but we're gonna be using this one today. Cross your fingers. Please God, make this turn out beautiful, please. All the angels, the universe, everybody. Usually colored liners do not look good on me, just putting it out there, but let's give it a chance. Ooh, that actually looks a little more brown. That's kind of like why challenging videos like this are fun, because, you know, you do things that you never think you would do before, and it really just like tests your skills. The pigmentation in this cream eye color is so amazing. We're good. Now she, I always want to call Mochi a she, and he's not a she, he's a he. Okay, so we got some fun colors, we got regular basic colors. Let's see what Mochi chooses. Oh, okay. Good choice. This is just black. It's from Urban Decay. It's the Perversion eyeliner. Good job. So I'm just gonna tightline right underneath. So it's gonna be very subtle, but it'll make our eyelashes look. How attractive does this look right now? I'm also gonna put this on the lower, like the waterline, but not all the way in, just a little halfway moment. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes. I definitely have my favorites in here, some that are super natural that I hope she doesn't pick. These are just, yes. No! No! Oh, look, you're not getting paid for this hour right now.
No, Boba has to do this. He just has to.
We're gonna try this again. Hopefully they cooperate with us. Mochi's choosing the lashes from Lily. The ones that we went with are these guys right here. They are not in the normal packaging. These are probably the from the Lily Lash that were limited edition, and now I don't think they're coming back. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those on really quick. Okay, lashes are on. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. I didn't have Mochi choose a mascara because a mascara is a mascara, and I don't think it's that exciting. We are moving on to the concealer that he chose. Okay, give me the fullest coverage concealer. Okay, that's okay. Okay, Mochi chose the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this typically I use to carve my brows out. It's really thick, so wish me luck. I'm gonna literally have cake face. Definitely not one that I like to use all over my face. I carve my eyebrows out with this, so I don't know. We might have cake face, we might not. Let's just see what happens. The good thing about this is that it will go exactly where you put it. I mean, it's gonna be a really strong, thick kind of conceal. It should completely take out our under eye circles. I'm actually gonna brighten with this as well. Bam, our under eyes are gone. I don't even know what an under eye circle looks like at this point. It is so thick, but it does the job and it actually does not look bad. So I was hating for no reason. So this time I have powders and I have a cream, concealer that could possibly be a contour, but it's actually really dark. So I wanted to do a little bit of a mix. Ready? And go. Which one? Okay, Pop Beauty. Okay, it's Pop Beauty. I know it's a good one, it's an affordable one, but I mean, you know, I wanted to try something different. I'm gonna take the Sculpt and we are gonna chisel out our cheekbones. For the nose, I'm gonna take the E433. I think this will be really great for a contour for the nose, because it's so narrow at the tip. I wanna brighten up my face right now. So I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender and a little bit of this highlight shade, which is matte. It's more of a brightening shade. I'm going to set that right underneath my eyes. Okay, so I have 6 different bronzers. One of them is a concealer, but I've been using it as my bronzer, especially when I was in Cabo. It was just like the perfect bronzer. But I'm gonna go ahead and let Mochi go and see which one he chooses. Okay. Thrive Cosmetics is the winner. This is actually a really good brand with a really good cause behind it. They donate with every purchase of Thrive Cosmetics. I feel like a commercial right now. But with every purchase of Thrive Cosmetics that you make, one goes to a woman who needs it. So I don't know, I love this brand so much and I'm very excited. On the cheeks, and I just remembered we also have a blush, so we're gonna look very, very cheery in this video at the end. Now we're on to the blush. This is the blush. Right here we have Rockateur, which looks terrible on my cheeks. So let's let them go, let's let them loose, and please don't pick the middle one either. There's a few that I don't want here. Just pick the Sigma. Sigma and I did not pick the Sigma. Mochi picked the Oprah Blush in Punch. So I'm just using this Morphe M405 brush. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose just for fun. Okay, so we got some holographic highlighters. We have jelly highlighters. Make my decision. Here he goes. He's going for the holographic. Oh no, it's the pink. No, it's the Artist Couture. Yes. So we ended up with Glow Money right on the top. So now it's time for the lip liner. Okay, we got a winner. This one is the Kylie lip liner in Rosy. Not bad, not a bad choice at all. So we are gonna apply the Rosy lip liner from Kylie. I'm gonna just put this all over my lips right now. Now it's for the lipsticks. Okay, ready? You gotta choose a lipstick. Go. Okay, he just ate the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip, and it's just a gold lip gloss. This is in the shade Hypnotize. It is a gold shade. It is very gold. I'm just gonna start by putting it on the center of my lips and see where it takes me, because I don't want this all over my lips. Okay, we're just gonna pat it. That worked out because the gold matches with the gold highlight. The pink lips kind of match with the pink liner and the inner corners. So definitely Mochi knows his color scheme. He is an artist officially. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very different, doing fun things here on this channel. I think it's just more exciting, to be honest, and it's just the way that YouTube is going right now. I feel like the funner, the better. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And I also have 2 videos over to the side in case you haven't watched them yet. Go ahead and show some love to your pet today. Tell them how much you love them. Give them a treat. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, dollies.